Hey there, welcome back to Tutorial Tactician, your go-to source for quick and easy tech tutorials. Today we've got another helpful tutorial lined up for you, but before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any of our handy guides. We're here to make your tech life a whole lot easier. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please show us some love by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial Tactician for more tech insights and handy tips. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.